Today on Cold Email Teardowns, we're going into the inbox to show an email for a closer's outsourcing agency. Who am I? I'm the Cold Email King. I've sent millions of cold emails. I'm the author of Cold Email Manifesto, and so this is kind of my thing. Cold email, if you don't know, is a superpower. Today we're looking at a cold email from a viewer, Samuel, and he is selling a closer's outsourcing agency. So let's go into the inbox and improve his email to find something that can convert higher, because this email is just not going to cut it. But before we go into the inbox and create a highly converting cold email campaign, make sure that you smash the like button and subscribe down below so you can get more videos like this. All right, let's jump into it. Hey, first name, first line. First line I assume is a compliment, but he didn't send his first line, so we actually don't know the quality of those. Let's see. Hey, Alex, love your LinkedIn posts. Quick question, would you be interested in hiring proven closers on a commission-only basis to close more deals and generate more revenue for company name while you work less and scale higher? Is this something you'd be interested in hearing more about? First name, sincerely, Alex. 65 cent, 57% open rate, 1 reply, and no meetings booked. This is worse than having no data, because it's like 65 cent. What did the leads look like? What was the subject line? There's not even a subject line here. 1 reply. What was the reply? Was it positive? Was it negative? No meetings booked. I can do something with that. So based on this data, let's write a subject line really quick. We need to identify 3 things before we can create a good cold email, which is who is the target audience, what is the offer, and what is the case study. From here, we can create a solid cold email. So who is the target audience for this? Would you be interested in hiring proven closers on a commission-only basis? So I don't know in email 1, but in email 2, he's selling high-ticket closers to digital agencies. So there we go. So here's his target. It is digital agency owners. And his offer is high-ticket closers on a commission-only basis. I don't think agencies use the word high ticket to describe their work, so I'm going to remove that. Closers on a commission-only basis. And then his case study, let's see. We help digital agencies hire commission-only sales agents that close more deals while you work less, scale higher, and 2 to 5x your revenue in 50 days or less. He's just promising too much. There's no response because it's just noise, bro. Where's the case study? How does he know that he can get 2 to 5 times my revenue in 50 days or less? That just sounds like he doesn't know what he's talking about. And because he's selling closing, now I'm judging him on this. He can't even close his own deals, bro. Is he even good at what he does? Quick question, if I can increase the revenue you generate in sales at company name by 31% in less than 40 days while you work less, would you say that's worth 30 minutes of your time? Is this something you'd be interested in hearing more about, Alex? Best regards. And this one does better, 1 positive reply and a meeting booked. So script 3 outperformed script 2 and script 1 for good reason. 31% revenue increase in less than 41 days. Although you can't tell me, let's say my agency is a $10 million a year agency. You're gonna increase the revenue by 31%, so multi-million-dollar revenue increase. What if I run a $100,000 agency? Would it also only be a 31% increase? Like, how do you promise that if you don't know the size of the company? And then the case study is non-existent, but I will use this promise as a case study because I'm assuming this isn't made up. Even though it sounds made up, I'm assuming this isn't made up and it's based on stats. We helped a digital agency in Houston increase sales by over 31% in less than 40 days. So now we have the target, the offer, the case study. Now we can move into the cold email itself. All of our cold emails follow a process known as the 3 C's. Compliment, case study, call to action. He had the compliment down in this original email, which is, hey Alex, personalized first line, meaning he's writing his first lines every single time from scratch. You don't have to do that when you're selling to agencies, and I'll show you exactly what to do. So let's write this email right now. Subject, quick question. Hey Alex, came across company name online and was looking through your portfolio. Love the work you did with portfolio item. And it's totally okay to say came across company name online, because what I'm trying to get the vibe of is a customer that's writing an email to this agency. That way they're gonna start reading it, and by the time they read the first line, they're just gonna get hit in the face with the second line. They're not even gonna see it coming. You have high quality work and deserve to make a lot more sales. I just helped a digital agency in Houston increase sales by over 31% in less than 40 days by adding a few commission only salespeople to the team. And I'd love to do the same for you. Let's talk this week. Thanks, Samuel. And there we have it. Hey, first name, came across company name online and was looking through your portfolio. Love the work you did with portfolio item. I just helped a digital agency in Houston increase sales by over 31% in less than 40 days by adding a few commission-only salespeople to the team, and I'd love to do the same for you. Let's talk this week. Thanks, Samuel. And I would actually even swap this out for mind if I send over a few times for a quick call. Slightly better, has next steps in there, and then make sure you have a good email signature, and you should be good to go. Samuel, let me know how this performs against the other emails in the test, and let's make sure we get all the data in there so then we can judge and improve the campaigns further. If you want to learn more about lead generation, be part of an awesome community, and have me help you out weekly on calls, then join the private group at email10k.com. It also comes with full access to all of our courses on growing a business. To join that, go to email10k.com now. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.